Hey everybody, I'd like to share some more of my project with you working on the shed. I've got some good help today. This is my granddaughter Charlie, and we're just fixing to go get little Johnny. We've got him running down here warming up. I've checked his oil. He should be good to go. Check the hydraulic fluid. And we're gonna go get on little Johnny and drive him up here and get set up. We got 2 posts set on the corners, and we got to put a post right here, and we got to put a post right here. I think we're gonna start on this one right here. So we're bringing little Johnny up here, and we'll back up, set up on this hole right here.
Hello everybody, my name is Charlie.
Okay, let's go.